Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Firstly, I am very sorry for the delay in my videos. I know from a few months I've been delaying my videos a lot. But the good news is that from this week onwards, every Wednesdays I'll be uploading a new video. So do watch it. And also I'm planning something new on my channel. So once I'm done with the plan, I'll let you all know. So for the updates, do follow me on Facebook, Insta and Twitter. And also you can join my Discord server. All the links are in the description below. And the main thing is that I also take orders for handmade personalized gifts. So if you all have any orders or if you all have any queries regarding that, do contact me on my social media. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you all in the next video on Wednesday. Bye bye.